Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to Infiniti G37 step by step. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and set the G37 audio system to pairing mode. Then search for the vehicle name on your phone, select it, and confirm any PIN prompts to pair. If audio does not play, check media output on your phone and restart the car system if necessary. Make sure Bluetooth is active and the phone is nearby before pairing. On iPhone, go to Settings Bluetooth and tap the vehicle name. On Android, open Bluetooth settings and scan. Grant any permissions for contacts and audio so calls and media work. If prompted for a code, use 0000 or 1234, or confirm the displayed PIN on both screens to complete pairing successfully. Also check for G37 system updates and restart your phone if pairing fails. If the G37 does not appear in available devices, power cycle both the car and your phone and try again. Clear old pairings from the G37 Bluetooth list and from your phone to avoid conflicts. Test with another phone to isolate the issue, and consult the car manual if the infotainment system still rejects pairing or shows errors. If issues persist, have a technician inspect the car system soon, please.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.